Program 3, Coordinate Geometry. Introduction. Students, you have already studied how to locate a point on a number line. In this program, we are going to study of the geometry based on the algebraic methods. It is the study of plane figures through the system of coordinate axis. Unit 1. Coordinates of a point in a plane. A plane is a flat surface having two dimensions, namely length and breadth. Let x to the power 1, ox, y to the power 1, oy be two mutually perpendicular numerical areas in a plane. X to the power 1, ox is the horizontal line which is called as x-axis, and the vertical line y to the power 1, oy is called the y-axis. The point of intersection of these two axes is called the origin, and it is denoted by O. Since the positive numbers lie on the direction of OX and OY, OX and OY are called the positive directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Similarly, OX to the power of 1 and OY to the power of 1 are called the negative directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Let P be any point in the plane. We call the plane the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane. The axes are called the coordinate axis. Draw PM perpendicular to x to the power 1, OX, meeting it at M, and draw PN perpendicular to y to the power 1, OY, meeting it at N. Let PN is equal to OM is equal to X, and PM is equal to ON is equal to Y. Then the numbers x and y are called the coordinates of the point P, which we denote by P of x, y. The x coordinate is also called the abscissa. The y coordinate is also called the ordinate. Thus, every point in the plane is represented as an ordered pair of real numbers x, y. The axes x to the power 1, ox, and y to the power 1, oy divide the plane into four quadrants, namely 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the point of x, y, x denotes a point in the x-axis and y denotes a point in the y-axis. In the first quadrant, both the coordinates x and y are positive, that is plus plus. In the second quadrant, x coordinate, that is abscissa, is negative, and y coordinate, that is ordinate, is positive, minus plus. In the third quadrant, both abscissa and ordinate are negative, that is minus minus. In the fourth quadrant, abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative, that is plus minus. The point 4, 7 will lie on first quadrant, both are positive. The point minus 3, 4 will lie on second quadrant, that is x is positive, y is negative. The point minus 5, minus 6 will lie on third quadrant, that is, both are negative. The point 2, minus 8 will lie on fourth quadrant, that is, x is positive, y is negative. The coordinates of the origin are O, O.